There we go. Yeah. Got your hair out of the way there? Perfect. All right. Now let's go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna lift up. Just move it side to side. Doing good so far? Nothing with that?
Yeah.
All right, let's get a nice little pull. 1, 2, and. Alright, so last time we adjusted your neck for the headaches and for the neck. How do you feel today?
I'm feeling actually really good today.
Awesome, perfect. What are we
Still a
addressing
little
today?
tender, but.
So we're still addressing the neck. What else are we addressing today?
It was left hip.
Left hip.
Like today feels a lot better, but I know that it's still an area of need. And of course, it's counteracting behind my knee, so.
Awesome, so we're gonna adjust the knee, we're gonna adjust the calves, we're gonna stretch them a little bit today. We're gonna do a little bit of Y-strap. Awesome, we're gonna dig in. You know the procedure, you know how to do this. And we also know that you do a lot of sitting for work, so we're gonna release some of the muscles. All right, you ready? Okay, good to go? All right, let's jump on. All right, my friend, let's start this. Let's push and pull and get you better. All right. Go right in here. Gonna do a drop table, nice and easy. We're pressing here right where the SI is. Sneak right in here. Pull your hair out of the way. And then we're gonna give a nice little push. Good. And same thing on this side. Awesome. Let's go towards this side. All right. Towards me. There we go. Perfect. All right. Bottom leg straight. All right. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Nice and easy. One more. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. All right. One more. Good. All right, before we get into your mid back, we're actually going to stretch. So, all right. If it's too much, you let me know, all right? You remember the procedure. No biting, no stabbing, no kicking, no punching, no screaming. You're just going to breathe nice and easy, nice and easy. There we go. This is last pass through. There we go.
Okay, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah. This is why we start with mild. This is a mild. We're not pushing too hard. It's just nice and easy. This one's usually uncomfortable for a lot of people.
Yeah.
But
like yesterday.
Yes, yeah. But the nice thing is, just a couple times, and this saves a lot of time of stretching. All right. There we go. Perfect. All right. Let's get your big bear hug.
Okay.
There we go. Awesome. All right, let's sink it right here into the neck. Right in here. Same thing on this side. Good. All right, ready for the Y-strap? Knees off the table, all the way down. Keep going, keep going. We need to anchor your knees. Keep going. There we go, perfect. All right, go ahead, lift up your head. There we go. Yeah. Got your hair out of the way there? Perfect. All right. Now let's go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna lift up. Just move it side to side. Doing good so far? Nothing with that?
Yeah.
All right, let's get a nice little pull. 1, 2, and 3. Your ears should get nice and warm.
A little bit. I didn't lose an earring, did I? Are we okay?
You can take your time. If you need to get up, if you're ready, go ahead.
That's okay. That's pretty good.
Awesome. Do you need me to address anything else?
Back of the knee.
Back of the knee. Perfect. All right. Lay down, face up.
Face up?
Face up.
Oh, okay.
Grab onto the side. There we go. Ready? There we go. Good. I'm going to do one more here. All right? Nice. One for a walk. Let's see how you feel.
Okay. I feel a lot better.
Good?
That wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be.
I know, it looks very scary, right?
It does. All right.
It's also the feeling you can't really describe to people.
Yeah, I felt good.
Good. All right.
Yep.
Anything else?
I think that's everything.
All right, perfect. All right. Then we're good.